Hello and welcome. Yesterday, we had a huge win. We added behavioral states to make AI smarter about them. Um, we added these three states. Right now, they work perfectly, but they need more conditions. But that's too many buts. Before we can do that, we have to fix some other things. Right now, our AI looks like this. You will notice a dragging motion soon. Right now, they are engaging and retreating, approaching very rapidly. It still looks like oscillating, but when they grab you just like that, when they come too close, two actors' uh, collision shapes rub on each other, and they are able to drag the other actor away. Right now, I am not pressing any movement buttons. I'm only holding my shield up so I don't take damage. But yes, as you can see right there, they are able to drag you away. This is a big problem. So, yesterday I talked with ChatGPT about all this, and it said something about hysteresis. I have no idea what this is, but we'll figure it out. Yesterday, we just did the behavioral AI to fix lots of things, which made a lot of the code in Actor GD obsolete. But that's okay because it's a real good thing. Um, Hysteresis will do something similar, make a lot of the code obsolete again, which will help us to simplify our code even further. For example, hysteresis will remove this variable altogether. Uh, from what I understand, it's going to work something like this. Let me show you like this. We are going to add another area to the as yes, as seen by the message right here. And we are going to have to add a collision shape. Sorry, collision polygon to this. And now I want to make it 2 pixels bigger than the original because this is a detection radius, not a collision shape anymore. I'm sorry about all this. I'm messing up my controls. 1, 2. Yes, I wanted 2 pixels away from the actual visual edges of the actor. Uh, what ChatGPT said to do this for a circle, but I wanted to start with the triangle. And now I'm going to have to uh, set the collision layer and collision masks. Again, from what I understand, collision layers and masks work like this. You set an object or a character on a collision layer, and only actors or objects on the same collision mask can interact with it physically. So physics engine only runs for them. But I don't know how to do that exactly. I'm going to ask you to give me a second when I figure things out and do this really quick. Okay. Um, we have done a lot of things. I don't know the half of it, but I am going to inspect it later on, just not yet on video, to not bore you guys. Because as I said many times before, I'm doing this project as a hobby, but I want to learn how to code, at least learn how things work in games or other programs, applications from the code's perspective. With this improvements, I understand it a lot better now. Basically, right now we are cheating. We are telling our actors that their collision shape is only for the weapons to detect, and this solver area, another collision shape, is for actors to detect them again. So This should work. Let's try it. So far, no dragging as I can see. They can push and shove. That's actually allowed and encouraged. Um, but I want to try this myself. I'm going to add myself back into the game. I'm going to stand there with my shield up and see if they would drag me still. Right now, they are pushing me. They should be able to push me, but not grab me and drag me. Okay, this is working very good. Right now, I am pushing this guy, and the solver area does its job perfectly. Thank God. Oh, after 4 days of dealing with stupid AI issues, we have a solid win again, one after another. This is such a relief, guys. I cannot express it enough. Whew. I guess thank you, ChatGPT. Whew. Okay, I want to. I know I am boring you guys, but I want to watch this fight. Uh, AI fighting itself once more. And we can see if there are any other issues. Okay, that was a quick fight. Yes, this um yeah, AI can pick up shields, but they don't know how to use them still. This was a better fight, in my opinion. And this also reminded me of another issue we are having. Right now, oscillation is gone. At least 80% gone. They are not oscillating as much. But right now, they are moving back and forth. Um, that's because the thing we added in the last video. Right now, they have no, not commit, state time. It's exactly the same as the commit duration, but commit doesn't work yet. I don't know if we'll add commit, but we'll do something similar. I want to add something that where the AI picks a target and locks onto them, at least for a little bit more than 0.12 seconds. Maybe like if you have a target, uh, don't lose sight of it until it gets away, like, I don't know, 128 pixels. If the target starts running away because it's low on HP. Also, we are going to add that as well. I want to add a panic retreat option in the states. Where are they? Yes, retreat. If blah blah blah, and if you have taken, I don't know, 20% of your health as damage in the last 5 seconds, 8 seconds, I don't know. So the AI will look like it's panicking. Um, and when you meet that condition, you are going to run away for, I don't know, 2 seconds, 4 seconds. Numbers are just placeholders. We will tune it later. Uh, if you ask me, I really like that panic retreat state because that's realistic a little bit. Even as the player, you can uh, get panicked by some mobs, NPCs attacking you, and you start running away to get a better position. We can further refine that and say things like retreat, but also take a better position. Use your shield. If you don't have any shields, try to shield up. Try to heal up because I just realized this. I can add health pickups. Hmm. Would it make it too arcade-like? I don't know. It's just an idea. Nothing is set in stone. But today is a huge win. Yes, also we are going to add mass or weight because that's basically the core of the game. This guy should be the heaviest. And if it holds its shield up, you can't damage it. It can like push you like the Spartans in 300. Actually, I was just thinking that's why I went silent for a second there. The possibilities are literally endless. We can add anything. I just have to come up with good solid ideas to add something. Also, yes, AI perception, eyes. I talked about that a little bit with ChatGPT as well. We probably won't use solar area. ChatGPT mentioned something called raycasts. I'm assuming it's like, well, since it's called a raycast, it's the name basically explains itself. But I'm thinking something like a ray tracing in video games. Basically, these will have a little bit, uh, no, a few lines coming out of the actor, and it will have a vision radius of this vision triangle, vision cone, sorry, vision cone like this, going all the way to I don't know how far. We have to we are going to have to tune that a little bit as well. But this basically will work like this. And when it says a raycast, I imagine a few lines going from the actor to I don't know around here and covering all this area except behind this pillar. This pillar will have a blind spot behind it. So you can hide. Right now, AI knows exactly where everything is. And I'm going to use that for weapons as well. AI won't be able to see anything, know where anything is. Because that's what I hate in video games. When AI cheats. Maybe I am doing some. I'm being too harsh on other game developers. Maybe making the AI cheat is the best way to make players not feel frustrated. I'm going to experience it myself. I don't know. But I don't want AI to cheat. I want AI to act exactly like the player. That's why I have a single actor script for both AI and the player. Anything the player has, the AI has too. But we have to cheat somewhat in some ways. Again, it loops back around to perception. AI doesn't have eyes. If I didn't told them where the weapons are or to check for things called weapons in the group weapons and pickup items, they wouldn't know these exist. They would just constantly try to pick something up and only pick weapons up if they get around the 96 pixel radius around themselves. About this far, I presume. So we will give them eyes as well. We will make them smarter as well. I don't know. Again, maybe I'm being too hard on other game developers by calling out on them when they cheat on AI. Maybe I will have to, but we will see. Thank you for watching. I've been going on for about ranting on about something. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Take care.